So when I was a beginner at video editing, plugins used to seem overwhelming. I didn't know which ones to use, which ones do I even need, which ones were even worth it. Well, fear not, because in this video, I'm gonna go over 5 game changer plugins that help me edit 10 times faster and like a pro, all advice from over 7 years of editing videos condensed down into one video. And make sure to stick to the end because I'm gonna give away 2 of these plugins completely for free via a code that's gonna show somewhere throughout this video. Anyways, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first plugin is Firecut. Now I'm being absolutely honest with you, this one is insane. This one is by Ali Abdal and his team. So they made this plugin that automatically cuts out the silences in podcasts and YouTube videos. So for videos like this, where I mess up a lot, it basically lets me cut those parts out automatically. So what Firecut does is you just import your entire recording raw with all the silences and the ums and the buts and the uhs and the pauses. And then it will basically go ahead and use like an AI audio analysis tool. I don't know what it's doing, but it analyzes it and it will remove all the silences for you. And you can like filter it to remove ums, buts, uhs, pauses, cuss words even. And there's a cool feature that even lets you make highlight reels. So for imagine like, you know, when you have a podcast video and it's like this giant long recording, it's like 40 minutes to an hour plus, then it basically reads it creates an entire transcript. It runs it through its own language learning model. And then it'll create 5 to 7 different highlights or however many highlights that you want. It'll be like, oh, we think these are cool talking parts in your podcast. These might want to be clipped into a short form reel, and we can actually do that for you. And then on top of that, it can even add captions for it, that exact reel clip from the podcast. Like, I'm serious, this plugin actually saves me so many hours when I'm editing my YouTube videos. Now, big question everyone's worried about, is Firecut a paid plugin? Yes, unfortunately it is, but honestly for me, and if you're somebody who's doing a lot of client work and you're editing a lot of these tutorials or podcasts or whatever it may be, it saves me, I'm serious, like at least 3 to 4 hours every project. And when I do the math, that really adds up because I look at time as a comparison to like my hourly rate. So if I look at it and Firecut is like $9 a month on the yearly plan, and then it's saving me though, like at least 2 to 3 hours per project, and I'm doing, let's say 8 or 9 projects a month, then I'm paying basically $9 a month to save me around 20 to 30 plus hours per month. That is 100% worth it cost for me, because let's say if my hourly rate's like $50 or $70 per hour, then by all means, I'm gonna spend that money because it's gonna save me the time. So that's how I look at it, but Firecut does have a free trial. So if you wanna check it out, it's all linked down below in the description. So guys, this next plugin is the one I'm actually gonna be giving away for free. This one is called LockIn. Now LockIn is a Pomodoro timer that's built inside of Premiere Pro, and it also works for After Effects, which is a cool bonus. But LockIn is a Pomodoro timer that basically lets you keep track of your work sessions inside of Premiere Pro. So I don't know about you guys, but I get distracted a lot of distractions when I'm editing. And LockIn is basically a cool way that keeps me focused, and it also keeps me from rewatching my videos. So what I mean by this is when you're editing a video, oftentimes as editors, we go back and like we rewatch the last part of the edit because we think it's cool. We're like happy with the edits we made so far, and then we rewatch it again, and then we rewatch it again, and we think we're being productive, but in reality, we're just rewatching our video over and over and over again. And a cool way to stop this is by using anti-rewatch filter. Now LockIn automatically applies anti-rewatch filters. It's nothing complex. It's literally just like a purple or a red or like an overlay that applies over your video clip. So then that way, when you scroll over that part of your video that you already finished, let's say you're like, I'm already done with this portion, I don't want to touch it anymore, I don't want to waste time rewatching it, you'll apply the anti-rewatch filter to it, and then that way it'll stop you. Like when you go back to it, your brain knows, and your brain will stop you, be like, oh shit, this part is purple or this part is red, I should not be watching this, I should be moving on to the next part. So that's what LockIn does. I am going to be giving this one away for free, and the way you can get it for free is there'll be a promo code that will be strung throughout the entirety of this video. So it's 6 digits, and throughout the entirety of this video, I'll be putting up those letters and numbers in the top right corner right here. So that way, when you're watching this entire video to the end, because you will, you can go ahead and write down or document on a piece of paper those 6 digits, and then that way you can apply that promo code to the checkout, and you'll get the plugin completely for free on us, on the house. And one other cool feature I forgot to mention about LockIn is that it actually has a video game template feature where it lets you use UIs from popular video games. So like Minecraft, Mario, I think there's Animal Crossing in there as well. So that way you can make your Pomodoro timer look fun and engaging. And also, if I didn't explain, Pomodoro timer is just 25 minutes of work and a 5-minute break. For those of you who don't know, there's also one where you can do 50 minutes of work and then also a 10-minute break, which is just a common, also really productive working style that a lot of people use. Moving on to our next plugin. Now this next plugin is called DisplayX. DisplayX lets you watch YouTube tutorials for Premiere Pro inside of Premiere Pro, which is pretty crazy. Shout out to my boy Fred Pelle and David for making this one. This one's absolutely insane. So if you look, you can literally just type whatever URL you want inside the plugin right here, and it'll just show the YouTube video inside of Premiere. It honestly saves me so much time because I'm someone who gets distracted when I go on YouTube, and I go on YouTube to look for a tutorial and then I'm watching like a totally random other thing like the next second, because YouTube has their entire algorithm that's designed to keep you engaged. The last time I checked, it was free. I believe you do have to go through Fred Pelle's YouTube channel to get it for free, but if you want to check it out, it's linked below. Shout out to Fred Pelle, shout out to my boy David. Moving on to the next plugin. This next plugin is called Spingle. Now, Spingle is a crazy plugin. It's basically made for wedding video editors. It basically trims all the shaky parts of your video off, so then that way you're left with just the good takes. And it also has a prompt to edit feature, which is really crazy. I've tried it. It's pretty impressive so far. I think the coolest thing about Spingle is I believe it's like a startup, so they're like making new features to it. It's constantly in development and improvement. It, once again, is a paid one, but the feature is really cool, and I hope they continue to keep developing it, because right now what it's able to do is pretty impressive. If you're a video editor, you know you have timelines and most of the clips are pretty shaky like this, and you would be able to trim out all those parts automatically with just the click of a button. So it's pretty crazy. If you want to check it out, Spingle is linked down below. Moving on to the last plugin. Okay guys, my Uber Eats did just get here mid-video, but drum roll, we are here, the final plugin, the best plugin that is saving me the most time. So if you don't know, I'm a music video editor first. I edit a lot of music videos, which brings us to the #1 plugin on our list that saves me the most time as a music video editor. This is the Auto Edit AI plugin. This plugin automatically edits music videos in one singular click. It also adds visual effects and transitions with just the click of a button. All you have to do is upload your performance takes, your music track, and click one button, and it creates a first rough draft of your music video. This entire process used to take me like at least 3 to 4 hours each music video before doing this manually, and now I can just do it with just the click of a button, and it does it in literally seconds. This is how it looks on Premiere Pro. You go to Window, you hit Extensions, and you open it up, and then you just upload your assets, and it creates that first cut for you. And as I mentioned, it also adds visual effects and transitions to your video as well, so you can just go ahead and select whatever visual effects types you want, and then it'll automatically apply those as well. You got film burns, CRT effects, camera shakes, mixed media effects, Y2K Fruitiger Metro effects, and more. And they're just instantly applied to your timeline, all while it's edited to the beat of the song. So when you upload your music track, it'll use a BPM detector and detect the exact BPM. So make sure all of your cuts are exactly on cut of the beat, which is really, really crazy. We spent a lot of time building this. And also the cool thing about this is that we have more and more updates to come in the future. The next feature we're releasing is a camera shake detector as well, similar to Spingle, but it's all built inside of one plugin that also adds visual effects, transitions, and auto cuts your music video for you. And it has an automatic title card applier, did I forget to mention as well. This is really the all-in-one bundle plugin for anybody doing music videos. Now, moving on to pricing, Auto Edit is a paid plugin, but there actually is a free way to get it. All you have to do is go to this special link that we put down below in the description. You sign up, and if you're able to get 5 of your friends to download the plugin, you'll get a free discount code that lets you download the plugin completely for free yourself. So all you have to do is sign up and send your friend that special link that's linked to you, and then that way you can get a free version of Auto Edit for yourself. Auto Edit does beat detection, visual effects, auto sequencing, camera shake removal, and more. It's really the all-in-one plugin for music video editors. If you want to check it out, it's all linked down below in the description. Anyways, guys, those are the top 5 plugins that save me time as a video editor. I hope you found something useful. If you like this video, please be sure to smash the like button, hit subscribe, really helps us out on the algorithm. And if you know of any other plugins that are cool, make sure to leave a comment down below. I'd love to check them out. Happy editing, y'all, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.